Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Durable channel from JOGANI Reinforcement. Today we'll see the unboxing of JOGANI Plaster Mesh 145 mm. One box with packs of 16 JOGANI Reinforcement 145 mm. JOGANI Plaster Mesh 145 mm by 50 meters. Now in tamper-proof box. India's #1 and recommended by engineers. Used in RCC machinery and construction joints. Very easy, effective and economical. JOGANI Plaster Mesh 145 mm by 50 meters. Easy to use, flexible and easy to cut. No need of nail to cut it. For bulk order, you can contact us on 9107 690 690. Like this video, share and subscribe.